walking to? I have no idea.
Aiming a video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
About to crack it, okay.
Hi.
Hello.
We are
In Central Park, New York.
and we're cold. Look
Take us
around.
back to sunshine.
I want rice.
I will never complain about the warmth again. Let's make a vow right now.
I, Erna, love the sun.
I, Malika, vow to never complain about the Malaysian sun on our skin.
Okay, let's go. Let's see.
See what we're assessing.
That is Trump Tower. Can you see that? That is, I don't know why.
Oh yeah, that is the town. Let's go say hi to Donald.
Let's say hi to Donald.
Come to the vlog.
Hi, Trump Tower.
Oh,
Get
show
the
them,
dog.
show them your delightful choice of drink here.
That
You know, it's
is,
so warm. She should
my-
decide to get an iced coffee.
but I'm warm.
Yeah, you are with all those layers.
But I only use like 2 layers. Look at the snow.
Look at the run.
Look at the runner and the butt. Butt.
Look at that tight bum.
Look at that tower. Hey, it's actually pretty close actually.
What?
Like Columbus Circle and our place
Yeah,
is
it
really,
is.
really close.
Today we have 3 days, so we can explore.
Okay, let's go out until like we never return. Like our
feet
first
break
place.
off.
Like our first plan.
We're gonna go to
Trump
Ripley's.
Tower.